So let's start our today's topic: list, set, and map. First of all, you can discuss about list. The in list, list allow the duplicate value in list interface. Set, the set in set interface, set does not allow the duplicate value. And map, same as the map, does not allow the duplicate value. In list, the list in collection list list maintain the insertion order. Set does not maintain the insertion order. And map does not maintain the insertion order. In list, you can allow any number of null values, but any number of null values. But set, you can only one you can add only one null values in set. And map, you can add only one null values in map. uh, in map, in list, you can add the element in list. You can use the you can use the get method to add the specific element in list. In list, set, by using the collection, you can add the element in set. Same as the map, use the collection to add the element in set. The use of the list, the use of the list, the main purpose of the list, you can add the frequently element in list. The use of the list. Set, the use of the set, you can the use of the set is the use of the set is the you can add the value and key in set. And maps in map, map can be store the value key and values. The list can be iterator. List can be frequently to the list iterator. Set can be used the iterator. And map always use the iterator. Iterator. So in this video, you can discuss about the difference between the set, link, set, and map. So thank you so much.